Welcome back, foodies! Today, we're diving into the creamy, decadent world of New York cheesecake. Join me as we uncover some fascinating facts and untold stories about this iconic American dessert. Did you know that New York cheesecake traces its roots back to the early 20th century? It's believed that Jewish immigrants in New York City adapted traditional European cheesecake recipes, replacing cottage cheese with cream cheese for a richer, creamier texture. This innovative twist gave birth to the New York-style cheesecake we know and love today, cementing its place in American culinary history. One of the secrets to the rich, velvety texture of New York cheesecake lies in its ingredients. Unlike other cheesecakes that use a variety of cheeses, New York cheesecake relies solely on cream cheese for its signature flavor and consistency. This indulgent ingredient, combined with eggs, sugar, and a touch of sour cream, creates a smooth, dense filling that melts in your mouth with every bite. Perfecting a New York cheesecake requires precision and patience. Bakers often use a water bath technique to ensure even baking and prevent cracking on the surface. The cake is baked at a low temperature for an extended period, allowing it to set slowly without drying out. Once cooled, it's chilled in the refrigerator to firm up, resulting in a silky smooth texture that's simply irresistible. And let's not forget about the crust. While graham cracker crusts are traditional, adventurous bakers experiment with everything from cookie crumbs to nut-based crusts for added flavor and texture. New York cheesecake isn't just a dessert, it's a cultural icon that has transcended borders and captivated taste buds around the world. From its humble beginnings in the Big Apple to its starring role on dessert menus everywhere, New York cheesecake has become synonymous with indulgence, luxury, and the American culinary experience. Its creamy texture and rich flavor have inspired chefs, foodies, and dessert enthusiasts alike, leaving a lasting legacy that continues to delight and inspire. Did you know that New York cheesecake holds a special place in American history, even finding its way onto the plates of presidents? Legend has it that President Franklin D. Roosevelt was a huge fan of cheesecake, and it was often served at the White House during his presidency. In fact, some sources claim that the first recipe for New York cheesecake was even included in a cookbook gifted to Eleanor Roosevelt. In 2017, a group of bakers in Mexico City set out to create the largest cheesecake ever made, and they succeeded in breaking the Guinness World Record. This colossal dessert weighed in at a whopping 4,703 pounds, proving that when it comes to cheesecake, bigger is definitely better. New York City isn't just famous for its skyscrapers and Broadway shows, it's also known as the cheesecake capital of the world. With countless bakeries, restaurants, and delis serving up slices of creamy goodness on every corner, it's no wonder that New Yorkers have developed a deep appreciation for this beloved dessert. Whether you prefer a classic slice or an innovative twist, you're sure to find your perfect cheesecake fix in the Big Apple. Believe it or not, New York cheesecake has even played a role in international diplomacy. In 1994, during a visit to Russia, President Bill Clinton reportedly requested New York cheesecake for dessert during a dinner with Russian President Boris Yeltsin. The gesture was seen as a symbol of American hospitality and helped to strengthen diplomatic relations between the two countries. While indulging in a slice of New York cheesecake may feel like a guilty pleasure, you'll be happy to know that it actually offers some surprising health benefits. Cream cheese, the main ingredient in cheesecake, is a good source of protein and calcium, which are essential for building and maintaining strong bones and muscles. Additionally, studies have shown that moderate consumption of dairy products like cheesecake may help support weight loss and improve overall heart health when part of a balanced diet. New York cheesecake has undergone an evolution over the years, adapting to changing tastes and culinary trends. While the classic version remains popular, chefs and bakers continue to experiment with new flavors and techniques to keep the dessert fresh and exciting. From vegan and gluten-free options to avant-garde interpretations featuring unexpected ingredients like matcha or lavender, there's always something new to discover in the world of New York cheesecake. In the days before refrigeration, preserving cheesecake posed a challenge, as its creamy texture and perishable ingredients made it prone to spoilage. To overcome this hurdle, bakers often relied on creative methods such as adding alcohol, like rum or brandy, to the filling to extend its shelf life. Believe it or not, New York cheesecake has sparked its fair share of controversy over the years. Some purists argue that the addition of sour cream to the filling, a common practice in many recipes, dilutes the richness and authenticity of the cheesecake's flavor. Others debate the ideal crust thickness, with opinions ranging from thin and crisp to thick and crumbly. Despite these debates, one thing remains certain: New York cheesecake will always inspire passionate opinions and lively discussions among dessert enthusiasts. New York cheesecake has even ventured beyond the confines of Earth's atmosphere. In 2018, a Japanese dessert company teamed up with a space tourism company to send a specially designed cheesecake into space aboard a rocket. The cheesecake, enclosed in a custom-made container to withstand the rigors of space travel, orbited the Earth for several hours before returning safely to the ground. While the mission may have been more about publicity than culinary innovation, it's a testament to the universal appeal of cheesecake, and the lengths we'll go to satisfy our cravings, even in outer space. Last but not least, New York cheesecake has been hailed as a form of therapy for many, a comforting indulgence that provides solace during difficult times. Whether enjoyed as a solo treat or shared with friends and loved ones, a slice of creamy cheesecake has the power to lift spirits and soothe the soul. And there you have it, some fascinating insights into the world of New York cheesecake. Whether you're a die-hard fan or new to the cheesecake scene, I hope you've enjoyed this journey through its history, techniques, and cultural impact. Until next time, keep on baking and savoring the sweet moments in life. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.